So now let's see how we can work around with the film damage effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and once I go around over here, you can see that there's some film damage effects over here, like there's film damage, there's film green, there's flicker, there's green right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around and keep, let's say for example, film damage right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So you got the film damage right here, just like this. It looks like an old film. You can go around and add in seed to it, and it becomes even more old right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and add in, let's say for example, film green right here, and what happens is that you can go around and add in more greens right here, just like this, over here, just like this right here. So you can go around and add in green strength right here, and what happens is that you got more green over here in the film right here. Similarly, you can change around the seed as well and make the overall green monochrome as well, just like this, as you can see, to make it look old. And you can go around and choose around the film size as well, and you get this effect as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and add in, let's say for example, flicker right here even more, and then you can go around and add in more flicker right here so that there's more flicker to it as well. And then you can go around and add in more greens to it as well, just like this. And then what happens is that this is more green right here, just like this, as you can see, like television set right here, and so forth. And you can work around with the size, the seed right here, and this is the overall outlook, as you can see, as you add in those four effects. And that is how you can go around and then apply the film damage effects right here, like film damage, film green, flicker, and green effect, to make your footages look very old inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.